5 says Emmanuel is building a fence to make an enclosed play area for his dog. The enclosed area will be the shape of a triangle with a base of 48 meters and an altitude of 32 meters. How much space does the dog have to play? So we need to find the area, and the area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. In this problem, the base is 48, and the height, also known as the altitude, is 32. We can do 1/2 of 48 to get rid of that fraction. 1/2 of 48 is 24. To find the area, we still need to multiply. This time we're going to multiply 24 by 32. 4 times 2 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Place value spacer. 3 times 4 is 12. Carry the 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 1 more makes 7. Add 8 and 0 is 8. 4 and 2 is 6. And 7. So the area is 768 meters squared. Don't forget the squared. Area is 2-dimensional. In number 7, it says examine the triangle, and it gives you a picture that looks something like this. It says, write an expression to show how you would calculate the area. What's the base? 7 and 3 is 10. And the height is 4. In B, it says identify each part of your expression as it relates to the triangle. The 1/2 is from the formula. Because a triangle is half the area of a rectangle. The 10 is the base. And the 4 is the height.